In 2025, ODOT Automation participated in multiple industrial automation exhibitions across different regions and markets. At these events, the focus was very clear: how to build stable, practical, and scalable automation systems for real industrial environments. Engineers we met were not looking for concepts. They were asking about communication reliability, system compatibility, and how controllers and I/O perform in long-term operation. That is exactly where ODOT positions its solutions. Across different exhibitions, we demonstrated PLCs, remote I/O, an industrial communication product designed to support multiple protocols, open standards, and flexible system architectures. Many discussions centered on real application scenarios: automotive production lines, machinery manufacturing, process control, wind power systems, robotics integration, and factory retrofits where stability and ease of integration matter most. Engineers asked how to reduce wiring complexity, how to improve diagnostics, and how to ensure consistent data communication across different networks. Our answer was always practical: use modular hardware, standardized protocols, and clear system structures. Exhibitions are not just about showing products. They're about verifying ideas with real users. The feedback we received in 2025 continues to guide our product development, focusing on reliability, openness, and engineering efficiency. ODOT Automation will continue to work closely with engineers and system integrators worldwide, providing automation solutions that are easy to deploy, easy to maintain, and built for long-term industrial use.